What's poppin', cruisers? Happy 4th of July. I hope you guys are out enjoying the day. If it's beautiful outside, it is beautiful here, and it's amazing. By the way, welcome back to our channel. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so I can give you a shout out and leave a comment. Just say, yo.
Yes, so it's 4th of July. It's also my mommy's birthday, and they're in town. I don't know if we got to record, if you guys got to see that they're here,
we
but
we did it.
Yeah, that was Camila's surprise. Yeah. Abels are here, so because also her birthday's on Friday. So now we're just going to Target to get a few last minute things, and we're going to a barbecue, family barbecue. And yeah, we're taking you along.
And we have our first post notification shout out at the end of this video.
Yes, so stay tuned. And each and every video, if you leave a comment saying yo or whatever you want, we're going to shout you out. So yeah. Here we go. Happy 4th. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hi. Happy 4th.
Happy 4th. So we're gonna eat before we eat.
With the birthday girl. Yeah. Mommy's birthday.
Yes. Say Camila, say happy birthday to Abelita.
I say that.
You said that, but say it again.
I say that. Y no sabe cuánto tú vas a gozar. En el baño. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Abelita, mami. Happy birthday to you. Yay. Papi missed it. Wow, we love you, mama. Make a wish. This guy's slipping.
Cut out.
Slip.
Cut out.
Slip or slop.
Cut out.
Slip and slide.
Cut out.
Hey guys, so we are now almost at the barbecue. We had lunch with my family. We sang happy birthday to my mom. Had a little light lunch. And look.
Light lunch.
It was
we
light.
Ate
We
a
had
whole
salad.
meal.
Oh, look at her neck. Aww. Yeah, she's charging the batteries because there's a slip and slide here. There's a kiddie pool. All the cousins are here. Should be a good time. We're listening to Scorpion.
Ooh.
But yeah, feels so good to be off on a Wednesday. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, baby. So we're about to eat chicken and all that. Our diet is going to hell today.
Yeah.
We're about to eat chicken, steak,
probably
hot
some
dog,
cheese.
Burgers, everything. Whatever, you know.
Yeah, I'm kind of YOLOing
one July 4th
lately.
of the year.
Ever since I got, I mean, I don't know if I even told them, but I was really sick for like the past 2 weeks, which is kind of why we didn't vlog much. I mean, I was sick, then I got sick. So now I feel better.
And you know why she got sick? Because she ate chicken.
No, that's not why I got sick.
Nah, it was Chipotle's chicken.
That was like 3 weeks ago, and that had nothing to do with why I got actually sick.
That's
babe.
right when you got sick. That's when we stopped vlogging, when you got sick.
No, yeah. I think it was after that.
Yeah, she couldn't get up from bed. She kept vomiting all the time, and all that.
Great. All right, I'm sure you guys don't want to hear about that, but yeah, I'm all better. Yay!
Yeah, happy 4th once again. We'll be.
If you guys had a good 4th of July, like this video, and if you didn't, leave a comment and tell us why not.
That's a fact.
But I hope you did, so I just hope it's likes and that nobody had a bad 4th.
Yeah, let's get some positivity going.
And then Camila's birthday's on Friday. I'm so excited. You guys are definitely gonna be a part of her birthday with us. She's very excited about it.
Yep, she is.
So yeah, I have a busy few days coming up and we're really excited. All right, so see you in a little bit. Mama, Mom, don't do, don't.
Whoa.
Hi, Camila. 4th of July dance party. I want to go around.
Over here. Who's the prettiest of all the girls? Who's the prettiest? Okay, okay.
Say hi.
Hey, Cruzers!
What's up, Cruzers? Loud. Thank you. We're vlogging. Get off the video games and come have fun outside, people.
No.
Yes, Samuele.
No.
Ethan. Ethan. Come on.
What I
Ethan.
would call.
Oh, you can't.
No.
I thought you can.
Oh my. Oh, damn, bro. Damn, bro.
We're leaving. Oh my God.
Yeah. We're the Cruz Crews.
Even though we're not cruisers. Well, we're cruisers, but we're not
We're their
crews.
we're their family. Their family.
Are you guys okay?
We're vlogging, Mom. We're family. I bought the bushy.
No, it's supposed to be off the shoulder. Stop.
Say hi. Someone wants to say hi, Angie.
Benji, look.
Angie.
Benji, look.
Hey guys, how's that cupcake, Mila? Yummy? Why did you get a cupcake? Because you took a picture? Hey! Bella's in town! She's here from New York. Brianna's here. Yay! Where's Camila? Camila! Oh, yummy! We're gonna do some sparklers. Hey! Ozzy's house! Look at this backyard! Look how nice! You guys did this yourself. This is amazing.
Look at this fire pit.
I love it.
We're gonna do s'mores.
Yes. And look at this.
Hey, look at the camera.
Look at DJ Aldo. I love it. It came out so nice.
Sí, bueno, no se me mojen mucho. Tiro. Felicidades de parte de toda la familia, que te queremos mucho. ¡Órale, Carolina!
about your birthday. Okay, so for Camila's birthday, we are having a pool party, and Jasmine and Aladdin are coming. We're having it catered. All her friends are coming, and her family and her cousins, and it's gonna be so much fun, and we're so excited, right, Gigi?
Yeah.
There you are. Hopefully Mama Ada will be here. Nina's coming. Abu and Abelita are here. And all her tios, Tio Bebuski, Tio Bradley, Tio Brian and Brandon, Angie, Brianna, and Bella, and Samantha. They're all gonna come.
Fantastic. Pretty tired. So this video's probably gonna come out tomorrow.
Yeah, for sure. Thursday. A video on a Thursday?
Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We love you guys. Happy 4th. I hope you guys enjoyed your day, your July 4th day. And
Day.
make sure you like, subscribe, share this video.
And Papi, and my birthday is my party.
Yes, and her birthday is her
That means
party.
stay tuned
It's
for
coming
Camila's
soon.
birthday vlog.
Yes.
It's coming.
Yeah. July 6th is her birthday. July 7th we're celebrating.
So yes, it's that time. Hit that like, subscribe, comment, and thank you so much for watching. We love you guys. Bye.
We totally forgot to give our post notification shout out yesterday, so I'm gonna do it right now. Our post notification shout out goes to Angie Rodriguez. Thank you for being a part of the Cruz Crew. Thank you for being a cruiser. And if you want your post notification shout out, just turn on your bell. Right, I think it's right there. And just comment yeah, or whatever you want to comment, whatever makes you feel good, whatever you want to be like saying or something, say it. And I'll give you a post notification shout out. So see you on the next video.